Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall Arc browser from your PC or laptop. So let's get started, and first of all click on the start icon at the bottom left corner and select in the menu settings. Okay, now in the left menu click on apps right here and now select installed apps in the list. So click here. After that, let's search for Arc, just type Arc, and here's the app that we want to uninstall. Now click on the three dots icon right here and select uninstall in the drop-down menu. So this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Now just click on uninstall. Uninstalling, just wait a bit. So this is how you can delete this browser from your PC or laptop. I hope this video helped you. If so, subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you, goodbye.